Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I'm Josh Shelton, owner and driver for the 6129 spec truck. We're out here today filming a comparison video between these two TRXs. This is my Lunar Edition that we've done basically a full build on. That one over there is bone stock. We're gonna shoot some comparison stuff and go over the build on what all we did to the Lunar. We did an Anderson composite upper and lower lip on here, carbon fiber. We got an 80D bumper with some Baja Designs Squadron Pros, 3 LP6s, and we've got 2 LP9 Ambers back behind the grille. This truck's got Innovate G600 Billet beadlock wheels. They are real beadlocks. That's a King Blue beadlock ring with ARP hardware. We've also got a Kibbetech upper and lower control arm on this truck, his tie rod kit and Swaybar end links, along with a King coilover. We've got an 80D rear bumper with another pair of Baja Squadron Pro lights in it for backup lights. Corsa catback exhaust on here. We have a Foutz Motorsports rear diff cover. That's Kibbetech's track bar and a King axle strut. We did a retract aluminum bed cover on this truck that we'll take off whenever we're doing Baja runs and stuff so we can throw the 2 spare tires in the bed and all of our tools. But for daily driving purposes, keep the bed closed in there. We also did the Anderson Composites carbon fiber vents around the tail lights. We still have the front fender vents and the hood pieces that we still need to install. So we've got about 3,500 miles on the truck so far, and out of all of the trucks that I daily drive, this is for sure one of the favorites. The build turned out really good.
Personally, I think we should send it to the moon.
Thank you guys for following along. We are absolutely stoked with how this thing turned out. Make sure you like and subscribe to check out all of our future builds and some of our race footage. We are in the middle of a Bronco Raptor build and we'll be dropping an overview of that here shortly. And then we've got race season starting back up in the fall. So make sure you like and subscribe, and we appreciate you guys so much. We'll see you next time.